Distillery unboxing, drinking buddies. Let's go.
I'm your drinking buddy.
All right, drinking buddies. So I got this package in the mail. Let's see what I got. All right. I'm pretty excited. Bang! Who needs whiskey when you got t-shirt? Dang! I'm gonna wear this like every day. New riff. I'm excited. All right, let's see. Got an old-fashioned glass here. I don't really drink my whiskeys out of old fashions, but sometimes I make a cocktail, and so this is pretty sweet. It says New Riff Distillery, Kentucky. I'll open this here in a second and show you. I don't know what this is. Let's find out. It's like a bar towel? Dang! It's a freaking New Riff bar towel. That's freaking cool. Recipe card. A freaking New Riff hat. Holy crap. That is sweet. Oh man, you guys, I'm pretty excited right now. You have no idea. We have a bottle. We have a bottle. Alert the presses. New Riff, Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. 100 proof. I think by showing you guys that I got this and unboxing it, it removes some of the, you know, I mean, I'm clearly a shill for New Riff now, but, you know, this is removing some of that bias, right? This is going on my car. Oh, what the heck? Gin! Oh, this is sweet. New Riff Gin. That is sweet. I have not tried any like craft gins in a long time, actually. And lastly, New Riff Matte. I don't think it'll fit on this bar, which just means I need to upgrade to a new bar, you know? Need a newer bar because my mat doesn't fit. Wow, that is quite the haul. I'm excited to review these two guys, and you know, I want to be transparent with you guys. I mean, if they're sending me free stuff, I should let you know. That way, if you think that I have some bias towards New Riff, I'm being transparent about it. They did send me some cool swag. However, I liked New Riff before they sent me anything, so that should tell you something. Sweet rocks glass. Well, drinking buddies, I think that we probably need to taste this. All right, drinking buddies, we're back. Had to throw on the new shirt. You guys know I love a good t-shirt. And then I threw together a quick cocktail. Pretty straightforward, something you can make at home. I did about 2 ounces of our wild Kentucky gin here. Filled the glass most of the way full with tonic water. Did a splash of Grand Marnier and a couple dashes of Angostura bitters. I like it a little bit more than a standard gin and tonic. That's a pretty good gin. That's a pretty good gin. A lot of botanical flavors going on. Yeah, a lot of juniper flavor, a lot of botanicals. It's cutting through the tonic, which is nice. I'm not actually that big of a fan of tonic. You know, that super bitter quality to it is just not my jam. You know, ironic since I love Angostura bitters, but yeah, the Grand Marnier helps balance it out with bringing in a little citrus to the party. Pretty darn good gin here. This is pretty crushable. Well, drinking buddies, I had to hide the gin cocktail inside of a New Riff whiskey video, otherwise you guys would have never watched it. But thank you very much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Please like and subscribe. It helps me make more videos. And if you're a super fan, there's the link down below to become a channel member. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.